I totally did this page and then I accidentally deleted everything, so now I'm going to do it again. I might work a little bit faster than I did before, just because I'm annoyed a little bit. But anyway, 20, you cross multiply here, 330, so 330 divided by 20, you get x equals 16.5. This next one, you're going to do 2 over x equals 4 over 36. So you'll have, I'm writing too big. You have 4x equals 72, and then x equals 18. You have a shortcut here for special right triangles. This is a 45, 45, 90 triangle. So if this is 44 over here, this is 44 over here also. So the answer is 44. You have a shortcut for this one also. If this is a 30, 60, 90 triangle, if you have the short side, you have the height, and you have the long. So this is going to be 26 times 2, and then this one's going to be 26 times square root of 3. So your answer to this one is 26 squared root of 3, which is 45. So 45 is the answer to this one. With these two, you don't have shortcuts. You actually have to do them. So you have your opposite and your hypotenuse. So this is going to be sine of 47 equals x over 17. So this is the easier one. You just multiply both sides by 17. You have 17 sine 47 equals x. 17 sine 47. So that's going to be 12.43 equals x. Here you have the adjacent and the opposite, and now you're looking for the angle. So you're using those green ones. O and A is tangent, so theta equals the tangent inverse of O over A. So that's the tangent inverse of opposite is 55 over 78. So tangent inverse of 55 over 78 is 35 degrees. So theta equals 35.19 degrees. Okay, this is really more of the same. Let's go over here. So this is your adjacent, that's your opposite, this is tangent again. So tangent, that's ugly. Tangent of 46 equals x over 35. So it's 35 tangent 46 equals x. 35 times tangent of 46. So the answer here is 36.24 equals x. Interior angles of a 31 gon. The formula for this, n minus 2 times 180. So 29 times 180 is 52.20 degrees. One angle of a rectangle, that's going to be 90 degrees. So this one is 2 4x minus 3 equals 90. I can't actually fit that over there. So what's going to happen, you'll have, distribute this, you have 8x minus 6 equals 90. So 8x equals 96. 90, what is that, 12? Yeah, fun fact, at Home Depot they sell 8-foot boards and they're 96 inches, so this is a little bit of a familiar number. Alright, one more to do. And it's your last page. Parallelogram. You've got RS is this one, and UT is this one. These are sides, and they're congruent. So it's 7x minus 13 equals 3x plus 7. So that's going to be 4x minus 13 equals 7, and then 4x equals 20. So x equals 5. You know what happened to algebra. One side of a rhombus is 25, the other is 4x minus 7. All sides of a rhombus are equal. Why am I still red? All sides of a rhombus are equal. So it's 4x minus 7 is one side. It's equal to that other 25 side. So it's going to be 4x equals 25 plus 7 is 32. X equals 8. Determine if the star in the Texas flag is a concave or convex. Okay, well, the star, the sides go in, so it is concave. And it has 10 sides, so it's a decagon. Decagon. Remember the formula is up there on the board also. It's x minus something squared plus y minus something squared equals r squared. Well, actually, I'm not going to put that there. R squared. So when you fill these in, you put 0 here, because that's the center, and then radius is this. So to simplify it, it's x squared plus y squared equals 5 squared is 25. That's your equation. Same thing to this one. It's x minus that squared plus y minus that squared equals radius squared. So when you fill this one in, it's 5, negative 7, and 10. So the answer to this one is x minus 5 squared plus y, negative and negative make a positive, y plus, oh shoot, y plus 7 squared equals 100. That's your equation. Alright, here you have a right triangle. So this is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So it's going to be 8 squared plus 15 squared equals c squared. That's 64 plus 225 equals c squared. So that's, I don't know what that is, but whatever the square root of this is ends up being 17. 17 equals x. I'm sorry it got messy. Okay, this is diameter, so that means this adds up to 180. So you just add those together. 12 plus 3 is 15x. Negative 3 minus 12 is negative 15 equals 180. So that's going to be 15x equals 195. So 195 divided by 15. That's going to be 13. X equals 13. With a problem like this, you have the ice cream cone, and then you have the ice cream. Remember, you always want more ice cream than cone, so this number you cut it in half. So that's going to be half of 60, so it's 84 degrees. This angle right here is 84 degrees. It's half of this one. Alright, last question. This one actually is really good for color coding. So here you have 16. This is also 16 right here. Here we have 13. This is also 13 here. Then you have 23. This is also 23 here. Then AD is 43. So from here to here, it's 43. Huh, there's my son. I don't know if you hear him or not. 43, he's getting fussy early. That 43 minus 23, that means this is 20 here. Actually, I should use a different color for that. This is 20 here. And this is 20 here also, because these are both 20. These are 20. Okay, so that purple line is 43. That's how we figured out this orange line is 20. If that orange line is 20, then the orange line is 20 also. So to find the perimeter, you just add all these up. It's going to be 13 plus 13 plus 23 plus 23 plus 20 plus 20 plus 16 plus 16. So that's 144. Is the perimeter. Okay, that is it. So yeah, I just added up all those numbers. Yeah, it's a video, so you can go back and watch anything you need to watch. I think I covered everything. Good luck.